Thiruparappu waterfall is located at around 55 kilometers from Kanyakumari. River Kodayar makes a descent at this location and creates the mesmeric waterfall. From country roads, you drive through rural communities to arrive at a cool, refreshing waterfall with a charming riverside temple. The falls, which is on the Kodayar River, is 300 feet wide and falls from a height of nearly 50 feet. The best experience of the waterfall is to jump right in. The waterfalls is a great day trip for families with children. A guardrail around the waterfall makes it a safe experience.